Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, here, there is already a helicopter drone from Hawk Drone. It's in good condition, yeah, the propeller has scratches on every edge. Because this is my first drone and yeah, I'm like a bad pilot, hehe. It's quite difficult to control, and you have to be careful not to crash, like this. Okay guys, here is the drone. Apart from RC, this helicopter also has several unique features. Apart from the model, which is quite cool, and I chose blue, like the helicopter in the Jurassic World scene, this drone also has features such as capturing images and videos. And look at some scratches on the propeller, due to falls and rubbing against other objects, because it is too close to the wall, makes flying this drone not optimal. Well, you can see for yourself, right? So this time I will try replacing the propeller with a new one. Luckily there is a spare propeller. And here is the camera for taking videos and pictures. The results can be seen in the next video. This is the result. The camera is quite pathetic, and yeah, it's quite difficult to control this drone or helicopter, hahaha. That's a camera, which I think is like a CCTV camera or a cell phone camera, which is old, so the results are like that, but it's okay. For this practice, it's quite okay. Here is the box, so let's just try replacing the propeller. Okay, there's a screwdriver here to open the bolt. And here comes the propeller. Okay, it's time for us to replace the propeller with a new one. So first I will remove the top propeller first. Seems wrong. Turns out it's upside down. Sorry, hahaha. Much better. Okay, I think this is finished, and how about it? After this we test, it will fly successfully or not, hehe. Okay guys, first, what do we get from this drone? Okay guys, here first we get the battery, and don't worry if the battery runs out, we can recharge it again. Wow, this is really cool. There are lights around this helicopter. It has an additional camera. Okay, time to try it out, whether it works or not. Hehe. Woohoo! It worked!